A powerful earthquake causes widespread damage and panic in Port-au-Prince, the crowded and impoverished capital city of Haiti.
In January of 2010, an earthquake hit Haiti with a magnitude of 7.0. Even before the earthquake, Haiti was one of the poorest countries in the world. It has been gathered that over 70% of the population was living under the poverty line. Death toll estimates vary anywhere between 220,000 to 316,000. Over 1 million people were initially displaced, and 500,000 remain homeless to this day. Haiti had no building codes, meaning there was no way to ensure buildings are safe from events such as earthquakes. As a result, Haiti's buildings were demolished. Important government buildings, hospitals, and roads were all destroyed. Over 4,000 schools were damaged or destroyed, equating to about a quarter of the island's schools.
The Pope thanked the President of the Dominican Republic for being the first in helping those affected by the earthquake in Haiti last January 12th.
Although the two countries have never seen eye to eye, the Dominican Republic was the first of many countries to step up and help Haiti in this time of need. The Dominican government has sent mobile cafeterias, heavy debris moving equipment, and medicine. Thailand united as they began raising funds for Haiti. The United Nations, who lost its headquarters in the Tuesday quake, released $10 million from its emergency fund for immediate aid. The World Bank announced it would provide Haiti with $100 million in emergency aid. U.S. President Barack Obama also promised $100 million. Troops were sent in to provide food, water, and medical care. 5 years after Haiti's devastating 7.0 magnitude earthquake, huge progress has been made. There is still more to be done, but our work is helping keep Haiti on a path towards recovery.